In light of the resurgence of the cryptocurrency markets, a lot of metaverse cryptocurrency coins are seeing substantial making the move. Low unit priced cryptocurrency in the metaverse continue to be one of the most popular choices for traders and investors everywhere. Is this the beginning of another bull market? Let's take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go subscribe to stay connected. In this video, we will take a look at our hand-picked 5 major metaverse crypto coins below $3 to keep an eye on in 2022, listed from highest to lowest unit price in the order of our classification. Without further ado, let's get started. Virtual currency known as metaverse tokens can be used to conduct digital transactions within the metaverse. They are a unit of measurement for virtual cash. Transactions in the underlying networks occur in near real time because metaverses are based on the blockchain. In addition to ensuring trust and security, blockchains also make the metaverse an ideal environment for an economy free from corruption and fraudulent transactions. Cryptocurrencies in the metaverse that have low unit costs are among the most popular choices for beginner traders and investors. While the market capitalization and trading volume of a project are more closely associated with the project's sentiment, low-priced coins are popular owing to the large number of tokens that can be acquired for a comparatively small investment. Here are the top 5 metaverse crypto coins to watch in 2022. All are under $3. Number 1. Wilder World. Wilder World, or Wild, a cryptocurrency that was introduced in May of 2021 and features an ultra-realistic world, is one of the most sought metaverse coins. Wilder World is creating a realistic Ethereum-based metaverse using the most recent version of Unreal Engine 5. Although the game is still under development, Wilder World contains a thriving NFT market with a variety of NFT collectibles, including sneakers, buildings, cars, and other items. We can say that Wilder World is also a home to a booming NFT market. The company's marketplace currently has over 6,800 items with more than 2,000 owners as of this time. There is a floor price of 3 Wild, which is approximately $6, and the total volume traded is in more than $14 million. Wilder World is one of the most underappreciated metaverse crypto coins to keep an eye on in 2022, thanks to a highly dynamic economy that will be in place prior to the game's launch and substantial partnerships that are already in place. Wild can be purchased with KuCoin and Uniswap, among other cryptocurrency exchanges. Number 2. Aavegotchi. Ghost. Aavegotchi is a metaverse crypto coin based on NFT technology that was first introduced in February 2021 and is based on cute, pixelated ghosts known as Aavegotchis. Every Aavegotchi is powered by DeFi, is proven to be fair, and is undeniably gorgeous. To begin playing, users must either summon an Aavegotchi through a portal or purchase one from a vendor on the market. Through acquiring various wearables and earning experience points, players can increase the rarity of Aavegotchi's appearance. In addition, by connecting with their ghosts, players can increase the kinship score of their spirits. As you might have guessed, Aavegotchi is a virtual pet that is similar to the popular Tamagotchi pet that was popular in the 2000s. Aavegotchi's blockchain-based NFTs, on the other hand, are not limited to a physical toy's lifespan. They can last indefinitely. GHST, or Ghost, is the program's native ERC20 token, which is utilized for all transactions, activities, and interactions that take place in-game. Furthermore, holders of Ghost can participate in the governance of Aavegotchi's future through their DAO and gain rewards for staking their tokens. Ghost can be purchased on a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, KuCoin, Uniswap, Crypto.com, and others. Number 3. Phantasma. Soul. When it was first introduced in 2018, Phantasma was envisioned as a technological foundation for the future, providing a silky smooth user experience while also boosting the income of developers. Phantasma has a dual token economy that is fueled by KCAL tokens and managed by Soul tokens, which will be described further in this video. KCAL is in charge of transaction fees, the deployment of smart contracts, and the minting of NFTs. Soul is a governing token that compensates holders for staking their tokens by providing them with monetary benefits. Also, smart NFTs are included in Phantasma, which provide developers with virtually limitless opportunities for integrating non-fungible assets into their decentralized applications, or dApps. Some examples of smart NFT applications include time-limited access to content, royalties, and a variety of other scenarios. Actually, Soul is a highly underappreciated project with one of the most thriving communities, and it is one to keep an eye on when it launches in February 2022. Phantasma can be purchased on a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges, including KuCoin, PancakeSwap, Gate.io, Uniswap, and others. Hold on! Please click the subscribe button to get an alarm for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like, and do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Let's move forward. Number 4. Wax. WaxP. Wax, which was established in December 2017, is the premier blockchain for metaverse cryptocurrency tokens. It is home to Alien Worlds, the most popular online game on the market, as well as dozens of other metaverse projects that make use of its blockchain technology. Its delegated proof-of-stake method distinguishes Wax's blockchain from the competition, allowing it to achieve minimal gas fees while maintaining high transaction throughput. Wax employs resources such as CPU, RAM, and the internet to pay for transactions, and subscribers can stake their WaxP tokens in order to acquire those resources in return. In practice, this implies that customers can always unstake their WaxP once they have completed a transaction and receive their money back, thereby eliminating the need to pay for transportation. Wax also includes the Wax Cloud Wallet, which makes it simple for novice crypto users to set up a digital wallet and begin interacting with NFTs, DeFi, GameFi, and all of the other decentralized applications or dApps in the Wax ecosystem. WaxP is the native token that may be used to acquire NFTs and other things. Wax is a technology to keep an eye on in 2022 because of its widespread use in metaverse projects and its convenience of use for new subscribers. WaxP can be purchased on most major cryptocurrency exchanges, including KuCoin, Binance, Bittrex, Gate.io, and others. In addition, you can purchase WaxP with a credit card through the Wax Cloud Wallet. Number 5. MetaHero. Hero. When it was first introduced in July 2021, MetaHero was hailed as a top metaverse crypto coin because it allows users to scan themselves into virtual reality with remarkable accuracy. MetaHero collaborated with Wolf Digital World to develop Ultra HD photogrammetric scanning technology and make it available to the general public. Wolf Digital World is a pioneer in 16K 3D scanning technology, which is used by industry giants such as CD Projekt Red, the creators of the film Cyberpunk 2077, to create digital models. The Hero token is the native token of the MetaHero ecosystem, and it will serve as the principal utility asset on the network. Hero will be utilized for a variety of tasks, including NFTs, licensing, and fees for scanning. MetaHero is among the most underrated projects on this list, despite the fact that it has one of the most active groups of supporters. Furthermore, MetaHero's connection with Walt Disney World demonstrates the company's positive long-term outlook, and Hero is a must-see in 2022. Hero can be purchased on a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges, including KuCoin, PancakeSwap, Gate.io, and others. To sum up, metaverses are finally making their way into the mainstream, thanks to recent endorsements from big technology corporations. To operate, all metaverses rely on internal tokens, which can be obtained through various means, such as buying, selling, exchanging, earning, or even creating by the users themselves. There is tremendous potential for the metaverse to transform our way of life by offering a virtual environment that blurs the border between digital and physical reality. Compared to the immediate post-pandemic period, the development of metaverses have increased significantly as online engagement has become more commonplace and the necessity for wider use cases has grown. Despite the fact that metaverse tokens are becoming increasingly popular, consumers should always conduct their own research before making a purchase or investing in one. And there you go! You've now learned everything you need to know about the 5 metaverse crypto coins. What do you think? Did hearing about this general information help you gain better knowledge on it? Are you ready to watch out for these coins? Let us know in the comments below. That sums up our video for today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel to be alerted of our new videos and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. See you in our next video!